After our Volendam trip, we made a short sail to a town called Marken. Marken is actually just a village of Waterland in the province of North Holland. It actually has a population of mere 1745 as of 2021, and it occupies a peninsula in the Markermeer. It was until 1957 an island in the former Zuiderzee. The characteristic wooden houses of Marken are a tourist attraction. But once again, being such a small town, if you ever get to visit these places, please be mindful of the residents and take care of the neighborhoods and surroundings. The main attractions here are its well-kept gardens, the typical colorful houses, the farm animals, the port, the canals, bridges, and a church. It'll take you very little time to discover it. The activity that we are here for is to see the clog making process. So we are at our final stop of the day, a small city called Marken, and this is a city known for making of those clogged shoes that you see, those wooden boots in Netherlands. I will share a little bit of history about this, but take a glimpse of this city.
Ja, stimmt, ja. Ja, da hängen in der Mitte ist doch. Ja, aber vor Weidmann. Aber ist das ja nicht international erwascht? Ja, ich habe damit.
Oh, there you are.
Take it, man. It's for you. Okay, guys, we need to go a little bit this way, otherwise it won't fit. We like to move it, move it. We like to move it, move it. Yeah, come on then. We use this because it absorbs water really well, so it's full of water right now. When the wood is wet, it's really easy to cut with my knife or with the machine behind me. When the wood is dry, it could break, and I don't want that, so that's why I'm using wet woods. The steam engine that we're using is from 1930 from Germany. There are not a lot of working ones, so it's pretty unique. We have one working today. We're also the only factory in the whole world who still makes wooden shoes on the steam engine. So what you see here is really unique, and we're really proud of that. These are from France from 1960s. These were one of the first machines that were ever used to make wooden shoes. So back in the days, leather was like really expensive. We couldn't afford it. That's the reason we had to wear wooden shoes, because they were way cheaper to make and they lasted way longer than your normal shoes. It took them around 3 full hours to make one parachute by hand, and it's all about the tools behind you in the closet over there. Give them a look in a moment, there's a lot of people. Now I can just do it in 5 or 10 minutes, way better if you ask me. But if you really want to see the old way, no problem at all. The only thing is that we'll probably be here for the next 5 hours, because it's gonna be my first time ever making them with my bare hands. Great opportunity, right, to see the first time ever. Yay! No. I need to be honest with you. We want to go home, right? This is going to be the first machine for the outside. Here you can see the example. We call this a mold. In a moment, I'll put this block of wood next to it. I put this blade down, put the vent at the machine. Then the wheel full of knives will start spinning really quickly. The mold and the block of wood will start spin too in different directions. It's because this is a right shoe and I'm going to make a left one, so they can't go the same way. The mold also goes backwards slowly, then this part of the machine feels how the mold looks like, and thus do exactly the same on the block of wood with the wheel full of knives. Does everybody understand?
Yep.
Great, because I'm not going to tell you again. Alright, we put it in between the machine. Alright, so I'll put the steam engine on high power and then we can begin. Let me just take a little break from all the hard work I just did. But we're finally here, and look how beautiful shoe I just made myself. Thank you, thank you. Hey, I hear you. As you can tell, it's really unique by the color pattern, and that makes every shoe unique in its own way. I will now take out the inside, and I will use this machine. It works like this. You can see the example on this one already has a hole inside. I'm gonna go follow it from inside out, and as you can tell, what happens left happens right exactly the same way. So in a moment I'll put the bend at the machine, and this knife will start spinning really quickly, and I can take out the inside perfectly. Alright, we put it in between the machine. And there we go again.
Nice.
Alright, so that was the inside, and now I've got a little surprise for you guys. A little souvenir I just made. You can each take one out of my hand, but be gentle, there's enough for everybody. Or should we play a little game? Who can catch the most? 1, 2. If you're really interested, you can help me clean it up after the show. We now have the inside. Wow!
Great stuff.
Wow, great job, Sebastian. Thank you. I will now take off the edges with a big sharp knife. We start with the front.
It's like cutting a coconut.
First the front. Wow! Thank you, thank you. And now the back. And the back.
Wow.
Oh. Ooh la la! So now it's almost finished. It only has to dry out. Takes 2 weeks. Hang them on the ceiling, and after the 2 weeks we can polish them and paint them like these ones, for example.
Nice.
If you want to try them yourself, I should say you should really do. Remember to put a finger behind the heel, because without that space it's gonna be too tight, and when you walk your arch hits the front, and you don't want that. So when you're gonna try them, remember to put a finger behind the heel. So the shoes aren't only good for your safety, they're also really good for your feet and for your back. They have a really good arch support, and because of that reason, you'll be standing straight with your whole posture. Back in the days I grew a lot, so my back was gonna grow like this. I walked like this for a long time. I saw the pictures of myself and I was like, this needs to change. So I walked on my shoes for a long time, and ladies and gentlemen, look how sexy I am today. Thank you for listening, I hope you enjoyed.
I hope you guys loved the clog making process and also a little bit of the history shared by Sebastian. Great job by him. If you love the history of clogs and the mechanics behind it, definitely you should buy one for yourself and buy some souvenirs for your family and friends. Drives the local economy for good. If you love this video, do hit the thumbs up button, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. With that, we would be ending the Netherlands series. Until next time, goodbye.